I could stay like this, forever following you.
Hi guys, you're welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here on my YouTube channel, I'm Nicole Patrick and you are welcome. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. I really appreciate. And please, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please hit the subscribe button below this video, and thank you so much. So as you can tell from the title of this video, you already know what I want to talk about. We got a new flat, and yeah guys, it's been really crazy. Everything has been so crazy. Like, I've been gone for a week now, or a week plus, and I know my subscriber, I know you guys noticed my absence, and yeah, that is the reason why I am making this video right now. I just want to update you guys on what is going on over here. We got a new flat, and we have to move our things from there to here, and I've been rearranging, trying to put everything in order. As you can see, everywhere is still kind of messy right now because I haven't finished arranging, and God, it's so difficult. I'm so tired. Like right now I should be resting, not making a YouTube video, but because it's like I'm kind of like putting you guys in the dark now. You don't know what is going on, and you're like, I know some of you really want to ask, like, Nicole, where are you? Post a video. But yeah, so I just wanted to, you know, update you guys and tell you guys that everything is fine. Like, everything is great, but it's been crazy. A lot of work. Like, I've been working a lot. So about this house, like, I'm so glad, I'm so happy. The flat is big, it's huge, and this is what I've ever wanted. I wanted a bigger place, not like the place we used to live wasn't big, but here is a dream come true, guys. You can see I have a great view from the window. Love it, and I'm so happy. I'm really excited, guys. I'm so glad that we got this place. I'm really excited. So, and I haven't finished bringing everything from the other house, so my ring light is still there. As you can see, the light is not very bright, you know. If I have a brighter light here, like my ring light, this video would have been brighter than this. So I just wanted to just update you guys on what is going on and why I've been gone for a week. And yeah, we got a new flat, we moved into it, and I'm still arranging stuff. I've been working a lot these days. Like, I am so tired. I should be resting, like I said before. But yeah guys, that is all. This house is so beautiful, it's so amazing. I love it. Like, guys, God is great. Like, I'm so glad, I'm so happy. Words. If you move to a beautiful house, you're going to love it, even though you are going to work to rearrange everything, but you are still going to love it because of the environment, because of how cool the house is and everything. So that is my case right now. I am just tired because I've been working since morning and all that, but I am glad because I am in a beautiful house. I just wanted to update you guys about all these beautiful things that is going on right now. Like, this is wonderful. So thank you guys so much for watching this video, and I hope you love it. If you do, please give it a huge thumbs up, comment below, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Thank you guys so much, and definitely I will see you all in my next video. I don't want the video to be too long because of the bad lighting and everything. So thank you all so much, and bye.